Hi everyone, welcome to Fix Your Apps. In this video, we're going to show you exactly how to screenshot on Instagram without them knowing on iPhone. If you've ever worried about triggering a notification when taking a screenshot, this guide is for you. Now let's get started. First, let's use a simple trick involving airplane mode. Open Instagram and go to the story, post, or disappearing message that you want to screenshot. Make sure the content is fully loaded on your screen. Next, swipe down from the top right and turn on airplane mode on your iPhone. This disconnects your device from the internet so Instagram won't detect your actions. Now take the screenshot just like you normally do by pressing the side and volume up buttons together. After taking the screenshot, close the Instagram app completely. Swipe up and remove it from the recent apps list to be safe. Finally, turn off airplane mode to reconnect your iPhone to the internet. Since the app was closed, Instagram won't register the screenshot, and no notification will be sent. Another option is to use Instagram on a web browser. Open a browser on your computer or mobile device and go to Instagram.com. Log into your account if needed. Find the content you want to screenshot, whether it's a post or a story. Take a screenshot using your device's standard screenshot tool. Instagram does not track or send notifications for screenshots taken in browsers. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Fix Your Apps for more helpful tips.